It's a nice sized fish, this. Squid on. It's all turning on again. Let's go. He's alright. We're just going to measure him up. I reckon he'll be fine. We're actually not doing too bad. Hey guys, what's going on? We're heading down fishing early in the morning. We're heading to Squid Rock. Hopefully get a few squid. We're going to see what else is around. There could be some salmon, some whiting or whatever. It's just Logblox and myself today. Better have a look at this morning. You know what? That's why we haven't caught anything. The old rule. Always have water in your bucket. And then I'll go straight onto a squid right there. Yeah. Squid on! You would be so angry. There's gotta be a squid there, surely. Had oil slicks. See how far the oil slicks are going. They nearly made it to the bloody beach over there. Yeah, well, like I always say, a bad day fishing is better than a good day at work. Not exactly where I wanted to be, but oof, come on. Garfish out the back. Nice big flickery school there. Tell you what, they're cleaning me out. But that's a good sized garfish out here. Oh! It's a nice sized fish, this. Oh, look at him. Nice big Tommy. He's alright. So yeah, give her a nice big cast, mate. Wait for me to get out of the way. Yeah, fish on. Here's another nice Tommy as well. Off. Look at him. Squid on. It's all turning on again. Let's go. You're right. Is he big? He's looking big. You're right getting him up and off? Yeah. Yep. Nice, good boy. Told you that sunlight comes out. We should be good to go. Alright, I'll get out of your way. He's a nice squid, bud. Don't get squirted. Alright, he should have anked up then. Yep, lift him up. Nice, mate. Beautiful. Let's get back out on these Tommies. Now, I could do with 20 of those, they'd be alright. I reckon. Oh, the Gaza are coming in now as well. Oh, he's a beautiful squid, mate. Not bad. Nothing wrong with that at all. Leave it at that. We don't have James here to clear out the 25 puffer fish first. Phone. Yeah, that's a gar. He's a nice sized gar. There you go, mate. Garfish. Tell you what, they're getting that bait off. They're hungry today.
I'm not down there.
Yeah, garfish. Good job, bub. Yeah. Oh. Oh, damn it. I don't know. That was definitely bigger. I'll get back out there and try again. They're just playing with the bait more than they're eating it, so it's making it a little bit hard. Oh, oh! Dang it! Bite it! And there'll be fish there where I was, and they'll jump, and splash, and ripple. You got fish on? Oh no! Just garfish are right down here. I've just seen them swimming in front of me. Oh, I thought I had it. I fought wrong. I don't like the feel of this. Feels very much like another puffer fish. That's what it is. Nope. Oh. Just bloody knocked me camera ass over tip. Look at him! Big King George Whiting. He's alright, we're just going to measure him up. I reckon he'll be fine. There we go, that's how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. Thought I'd give it a bit of a flick and just see if there's anything out there. My rods are out here. So I'll try that again. Yeah. Get back out and see if there's another whiting out there. Leave it there for a couple of seconds. Could be a squid there. There you go, Logan. Yep, yep, yep. Or just by the tentacle. Oh! No, you mongrel! No idea, mate. A fish. Huh? Is it? Only early in the day, but that's looking alright. Got a good variety of fish. Gars, Tommies, King George White and Squid. Let's see what else the day brings. So there we go. You would have seen me catch that big King George whiting there. We're actually not doing too bad. I mean, it's pretty windy, but there's some pretty big fish. Couple of big Tommies, big gar, couple of big King George whiting, a squid. Logblox just lost the squid. And we're back into it. We'll stay here for a little bit longer. Tide's dropping pretty low, so get some fresh water. And Logan's got, unfortunately, a puff of fish. Try and snag a few more King George maybe, and then, yeah, that'll be good. He's a bit fat. Oh, Logan, you're right under. Squid on, that squid's dragging it. Oh, it just let go. Either that or it broke the squid jag off. No, here he goes, he's got it again. You might have a big cuttlefish actually here. I reckon that's a cuttlefish. Nice, that's a big squid. Big squid and Italy.
You want me to bring it over to you?
Yeah, keep coming. I should be, if you keep it down here, I'll be able to grab it here. Oh, he's not super big, he looks heaps bigger than... Yeah, good boy. Yeah, nice. Get back out there, there's probably more. We Might have got them all out of that little white hole. Might have to choose a different one. Can I make that one over there? Yeah. Yep. I guess so. Nice. Yeah, fish on. Don't know what it is though. It's fighting a little bit. It's doing some dives, so. Oh, it's a big ass puffer. You've got to be joshing me. That's a stonker. I decided it'd be a good time to sit down, scale the fish, but the fish had other ideas. Now all there was to do was clean the fish, get them prepped, egg and breadcrumb, and cook. There is no better smell than the smell of freshly caught fish cooking. Yum. How is it?
It's good.
Good? Jamesy? Good? Good? Woo! Good!